Hey there, English learners and curious minds. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we use real-life stories to help you improve your English listening skills. Today we're diving into the unbelievable journey of MrBeast, a young man who turned a small YouTube channel into a billion-dollar empire and used his success to make the world a better place. This story is not only about money and fame. It's about creativity, persistence, generosity, and doing what you love, all while learning English in a fun and inspiring way. Make sure to listen to this story more than once to catch all the details. And don't forget to check the comments section below and answer the questions to test your understanding. Ready? Let's begin. Earning $500 million from YouTube? Is that even possible? If you ask MrBeast, whose real name is Jimmy Donaldson, he might say, "It's not that hard." Born on May 7, 1998 in Kansas, USA, Jimmy grew up in Greenville, North Carolina. Both of his parents served in the military. As a child, Jimmy was introverted and moved homes frequently. After his parents divorced in 2007, he became even more reserved. He struggled with a chronic illness called Crohn's disease, which caused him severe stomach pain and made it hard to gain weight. When Jimmy was a teenager, his mother gave him an ultimatum. If he didn't get into college, he would be kicked out of the house. So, he applied and got in, but secretly skipped classes to focus on creating YouTube videos. Once he made enough money, he proudly told his mom he was dropping out to become a full-time YouTuber. That's how the legend began, a story of a dropout with big dreams and an internet connection. MrBeast started uploading videos at the age of 13. His early content included FPS gaming and commentary, but views were low. His first taste of virality came from a video explaining how to hack a video game. It earned 20,000 views and sparked his passion. To grow his audience, he tried doing sub for sub, trading subscriptions with other YouTubers, but it didn't help. His interaction dropped, and he realized this shortcut wasn't the answer. He then abandoned his first channel and created a new one with a different focus: vlogs and challenges. Jimmy began testing weird internet trends, smashing laptops, counting licks to finish a lollipop, and estimating how much YouTubers earned. Slowly, views climbed, and so did his subscribers. Then came the breakthrough, his 24-hour-long video counting from 1 to 100,000. It gained 29 million views and changed everything. People began to recognize his dedication, and he stood out from the crowd with his unique and unpredictable style. MrBeast leaned fully into absurd challenge videos. He read the longest word in English, microwaved a microwave, and spun a fidget spinner on his face. He counted to 200,000 in another viral video. With more views came more income. He reinvested his money to improve quality, buying new gear, green screens, and eventually building a team to help with larger-scale projects. He didn't just want to go viral, he wanted to keep leveling up. By 2017, MrBeast's challenge videos were exploding. He tried flying with a leaf blower, dropping $20,000 from a drone, tying shoes in every U.S. state, and even smashing his friend's car just to buy him a better one. He famously said, "My future challenges will be completely random, but always bigger and better." And he kept his word. The challenges became more extreme, more entertaining, and more creative. As the stunts grew crazier, some viewers questioned their social value. MrBeast responded by adding real-world impact to his content. He began donating large sums of money in his videos, starting by giving $10,000 to a homeless person. The video went viral, and Jimmy discovered a new purpose: combining entertainment with generosity. From then on, his videos included cleaning 100 city trash bins, giving $100,000 so someone could quit their job, donating $300,000 to struggling families and hospitals, and even adopting every dog in a pet store. He created a massive charity ecosystem, Beast Philanthropy, where all channel revenue goes to charity, Team Trees, raising $20 million to plant trees, and Team Seas, fighting ocean pollution. Giving became a core part of his brand and identity. In addition to YouTube, MrBeast entered the food industry. During the COVID-19 pandemic, he launched a virtual restaurant chain called MrBeast Burger. The goal was to help local restaurant owners stay afloat. The brand quickly expanded to 300 locations across the U.S. But problems with his partner company, Virtual Dining Concepts, caused quality issues. MrBeast eventually sued to protect his brand and ended the partnership. Despite the setback, MrBeast continued to grow. He created multiple side channels, including MrBeast Gaming, Beast Philanthropy, and translated versions in various languages to reach a global audience. In 2021, he recreated Squid Game with a $3 million budget. The video gained 1.4 million subscribers in one day, a new YouTube record. His content was now reaching millions worldwide, not just for fun but for positive impact. MrBeast is known not only for epic videos but also for staying out of drama. He keeps a clean image and focuses on one thing: creating bigger, better, and more entertaining content. He says the most important metrics on YouTube are click-through rate, CTR, and audience retention. That's why he designs eye-catching thumbnails and scripts videos to keep viewers hooked. Even in 2023, he spends around $1 million per video. He says, "I could make simpler videos, but I want to challenge myself and show people things they've never seen before." He even bought 400,000 square meters of land to build a $10 million studio just for making videos. This isn't about fame or money, it's about passion. And that passion is contagious. Now 25 years old, Jimmy Donaldson continues to use his platform for good. He's donated tens of millions through his charity organizations. He's provided 10,000 chickens to his hometown, 20,000 shoes to kids in Africa, and over $300,000 to support tech education in the U.S. With the support of people like Elon Musk, YouTube's CEO, and millions of fans, MrBeast has built a lasting legacy, not just as a YouTuber, but as a symbol of creativity, generosity, and ambition. He continues to prove that doing good can be both powerful and profitable. And that's the incredible story of MrBeast, a boy who turned his love for YouTube into a force for good and built a billion-dollar brand along the way. We hope this story helped you improve your English listening and inspired you with new ideas. Remember, the best way to improve is to listen again and again. And if you want to test your understanding, scroll down to the comments section and answer the questions below. Like, share, and subscribe to support this channel and help us bring more inspiring stories your way. See you next time.